everybody is safe and sound. The prayer, the prayer of a righteous man is powerful and effective. Let's all close our eyes for a minute for the silent prayer. Thank you, everyone. Today, we have all gathered here via this online platform for the inaugural ceremony of the one-week faculty development program on 3D printing and design, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, KOTHAMANGALAM, in association with AICTE Training and Learning Academy. I feel so proud and privileged to host this program on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, Kodhamangalam. Once again, my hearty welcome to all the faculties and eminent personnel who have gathered here. Ella Adhyapakarkkum ende pranamam. To begin with, let me invite Dr. Joby Joseph, the coordinator of this faculty development program on 3D printing and design, to address the welcome speech. Welcome, Joby, sir.
Good morning, all distinguished guests, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's given me great pleasure to welcome you all in the inaugural ceremony of the 5-day online faculty development program on 3D printing and design. 3D printing is one of the most important technological advancements in additive manufacturing, which has been implemented and recognized as a part of modern industry, as it has many advantages over conventional approaches. 3D printing technology can be used to create everything from prototypes and simple parts to highly technical products. First of all, on behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department, I thank the AICTE ATAL Academy for giving sanction to this faculty development program, and Dr. Vinny Varis, Secretary, MA College Association, and Dr. Matthew K, Principal, MA College of Engineering, for giving consent to conduct this program. I am honored to welcome our chief guest, Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair, who is heading one of the prestigious Indian space program, that is Gaganyaan 2021 mission. Currently, he is the Director of Human Space Flight Center, ISRO, Bangalore. He graduated in mechanical engineering from this institute and completed his post-graduation from IIC Bangalore and doctorate from IIT Madras. On behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department and coordinators, I welcome Dr. Unnikrishnan sir to this function. It is honor to welcome our keynote speaker, Dr. Ramesh Unnikrishnan, former Director of Approval, AICTE New Delhi, one of the well-wishers of this institution. Dr. Ramesh joined AICTE in the year 2012 and was offering the post of regional officer during his tenure and elevated to Director, Bureau Approval at AICTE headquarters, New Delhi. He graduated in Mechanical Engineering, Masters in Engineering Management, Doctorate in Management. He has been honored with many prestigious awards based upon the contribution made in the field of education. Sir, we are extremely happy to have you here today. Welcome to the event, sir. Our HOD, Dr. Jojo Isaac, the backbone of this department, is presiding over this inaugural program. He is an engineer by profession, a visionary who hypothesized this department. It's my privilege to welcome you to the event, sir.
Thank you.
His efforts need no introduction. The result speaks for itself. Our former HOD, Shadin Priakos, is always an inspiration for each one of us. It is my honor to welcome him to the event today. Welcome, sir. We have eminent speakers from Washington State University, different IITs and NITs who are expert in various fields of additive manufacturing. So I cordially welcome all speakers handling the technical session. The success of any event is the strong support and interaction of the participants. So I welcome all the participants to enjoy the technical session during this 5-day faculty development program. Finally, I welcome Dr. Bobin Cherianjos and Dr. Arun Bobi, the coordinators, the heads of other departments, and all faculty and technical staff of the institution to this program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. There can be only one captain to a ship. Yes, I'm speaking about the captain of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, KOTHAMANGALAM. Let me kindly invite Dr. Jojo M. Isaac, the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering of ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, KOTHAMANGALAM, for the presidential address. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. A warm good evening, good morning to all. Hope all of you are doing well. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A warm good
Yes.
A warm good morning to all. Hope all of you are doing well and staying safe during the COVID period. So, chief guest of the day, Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair, Director, Human Space Flight Center, ISRO, Bangalore, Dr. Ramesh Unnikrishnan, Director, AICTE, New Delhi, Dr. Shajan Kuriakos, former HOD, coordinators of the program, Dr. Joby Joseph, Dr. Bobin Cherianjos, and Dr. Arun Bobi, and colleagues, my dear participants. So we are extremely happy and proud to organize this 5-day faculty development program on 3D printing and design. So 3D printing technique were considered suitable for rapid prototyping, as the precision, repeatability, and material range of 3D printing has increased to the point of some 3D printing processes are considered viable as an industrial production technology, whereby the term additive manufacturing can be used synonymously with 3D printing. One of the key advantage of 3D printing is the ability to produce very complex shape and or geometries that would be otherwise impossible to construct by hand, including hollow parts or parts with internal truss structures to reduce weight, reduce the weight. Fused deposition, fused deposition Fused deposition, or FDM, is the most common 3D printing process. The 3D printing has potential for considerable change in manufacturing technology. So when I am doing my PhD program, so when I try to prototyping or developing aerofoil shape diffuser blades, so I find very difficult to get the similar type of vein profile after producing using wire cut EDM. So now recently we got 3D printing machine in our college. So we used the 3D printing technique to produce veins for different turbo machines for testing in the for PG and UG experiments that we used in our laboratory. So this is so it has so much potential in the field of research, the 3D printing technique. So the material and the process has to develop. When it completes, I strongly believe that this can be a revolutionize the manufacturing technology by we can even produce the rockets as such using the 3D printing technique. So as far as mechanical department is concerned, This is a proud moment for the Mechanical Engineering Department of ATHANASIUS College of Engineering. So we have today Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair, Director, Human Space Center, ISRO Bangalore. He is our alumni with us. Dr. Ramesh Unnikrishnan, Director, former Director, AICTE, New Delhi. So these two dignitaries are with us today to grace the inaugural function with their presence. We have eminent faculties from foreign university, IIT, NIT. I congratulate the coordinators, Dr. Joby Joseph, Dr. Bobin Cherian, and Dr. Arun for organizing this event with a good faculty. Also, the department thankful to the participants from all over India for accepting our invitation. I am earnestly requesting the participants to utilize the theoretical and practical knowledge of the expert faculties by attending all the virtual classes in a sincere way. Then only it will be effective. So with these words, thank thank you. I giving best wishes for the program. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Today, I'm so honored and excited to invite our chief guest of the day. It is said that keep calm and believe in ISRO. When ISRO has its encyclopedia of success, somehow it's flight out of the trajectory, right? Yes, I'm speaking about the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. In that context, I'm so privileged to call upon Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair, sir, who is currently the Director of Human Space Flight Center, ISRO Bengaluru, who is also leading one of the prestigious space program of India. Yes, I'm speaking about Gaganyaan 2021 mission, India's maiden human space flight, a major turning point in the country's space program history. Yes, it's a dream come true for all the Indians. We are so privileged and honored to have your esteemed presence, sir, in this auspicious occasion. We extend you a warm welcome, and I would gladly invite you for the inaugural address. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Dr. Joe Isaac, head of the department, and all the faculty members who are attending the course, and the galaxy of speakers who are going to give their lectures in the coming days. First of all, it's always a homecoming event for me whenever there is an event in MA College of Engineering, because my memories rush back to 80s when I was an undergraduate student there. We have got a group of 85, May's 85, and we exchange a lot of things, and it's keeping the memories fresh and fresh forever. We know that in the space program, there are many new technologies in manufacturing area. They are really called the disruptive technologies, like the flow forming, which has revolutionized the manufacturing. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the flow forming and friction stir welding, which is also the way of how to kind of join two metallic parts, as well as electron beam welding. There are many new vistas in the areas of manufacturing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing or rapid prototyping, you call it different names, that has also, in fact, has revolutionized in such a way that has become part of the manufacturing fraternity now. So when we talk about space program or the human space program to other planets, or the NASA's recent program, the Artemis program, where they are going to have a space station around the moon, they are all planning to have habitats in Moon or Mars by next decade. So there, the rapid prototyping or 3D printing is one of the technologies which they consider most important for manufacturing things in space or components or products in space. You cannot always take everything from Earth. You may have to make use of the resources available in other planets, and then you go from there. So in that sense, this technology is very important, and I'm very glad that MA College of Engineering at the right time taken up a faculty development program, because the moment faculties are educated and made to learn things, definitely it will percolate to the students, and then it will reach a wide spectrum of students. And it is so coinciding that for our Gaganyaan program, it has got a typical structure called a grid fin, which is 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. It is a porous structure. It's a huge structure, 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. And then we are looking through additive manufacturing or 3D printing as one of the manufacturing routes to manufacture it. Because if you make it out of a huge forging or a plate, you know, the type of material wastage is huge. 90% or 80 to 90% of the material will be removed, because you need finally only a thin aerofoils in 1.5 by 1.5 with a lot of openings, because it is used as an array of aerofoils to stabilize the rocket when it is called upon to act under an emergency condition. And at the same time, it's okay, you always talk about the good things. There are challenges also, like we are looking for very smooth smooth surface with a rapid 3D printing, and also we should be able to make it out of materials like titanium, and how you can avoid the porosity of the structure. So there are so many issues with respect to that. I'm sure those points will be addressed in the coming days when you interact with the experts available from all over the globe. I think this COVID is one of the good reasons that you get experts on a mouse click. Otherwise, all these seminars would have been a face-to-face, where it's very difficult to get experts because they need to travel, come to our place. Now this has given us an opportunity to get experts from all over the globe. So I am very glad. I wish all the very best to this 1 week program. And I'm very glad to declare that this program, this faculty development program is open. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for the informative speech, and thank you for making us feel so proud. Thank you. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the entire world. In that context, it's my great pleasure to invite Dr. Ramesh Unnikrishnan, who was the former director of AICTE New Delhi, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, who spearheaded AICTE with his exceptional leadership and technical skills, and his charm is commendable. We are so privileged and honored to have your esteemed presence, sir, in this auspicious occasion. I warmly invite you, sir, for the keynote address. Welcome, sir.
Yes, so very good morning to all of you. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So the president of today's function, Professor Joju Isaac, sir. The chief guest of today, Unnikrishnan Nair, sir. My friend Joby Joseph, the former head of the department, Shajan Kuriakos, sir, and Professor Bobbin Chirian Jose, and other coordinators from MA College. Once again, good morning to all of you, and let me thank for inviting me and giving an opportunity to address the experts and the faculty members who have registered for this ATAL program on 3D printing. So I think, first of all, the team mechanical engineering needs a big round of applause, because we know how AICTE knows how the FDPs are being processed at the head office. Because every time when the applications are called for, we are getting more than 2,000 applications from the various institutions, which includes even some IITs and IITs and all. And from there are a galaxy of experts who thoroughly goes through what are the contents, how you have planned, who are the experts, and based on this, on a truly unbiased basis, strictly on the we are granting the permission. So it deserves a big round of applause for the team mechanical engineering. And as my previous speaker Unnikrishnan Nair sir told, COVID finally emerged as the biggest teacher for all of us, because we never expected like we will be handling classes, we all will be meeting like this and addressing to resource persons and even faculty members from pan globe in such a wonderful and beautiful manner. So everything, so this teaches us like every threat should be welcomed as an opportunity, and when technology is with us and when commitment is with us, then nothing is impossible in this world to be achieved. Because we still remember during February, March when the COVID came. So AICT was also in a fix, because we have been governed by that Supreme Court order, like all the inspections and everything to be completed before April 31st. And the government of India announced the lockdown, and we don't know how to proceed ahead. Then suddenly we don't know how, but finally technology and commitment came as the savior. And about 300 inspections, I think Shajan Kuriakos sir, Joby and all were a part of that. So about 300 inspections and scrutinies and all were convened through the online mode. And this time in such a wonderful and transparent manner, like there was no complaint at all. And to some extent, we could see like even the minute nuances were being addressed. So I think this system is going to prevail for some more time. And also, I was just seeing the number of ATAL programs that were sanctioned recently, and the minimum number of programs were sanctioned in 3D printing. I don't know what was the reason. What is the reason? So maximum went to artificial intelligence and machine learning. And among the number of, because this ATAL is presently we are coining down to the 9 emerging areas, which Mohan Reddy Commission has proposed as the technology for tomorrow. And among the 9, minimum number of faculty development programs occurred in the area of 3D printing. I don't know why. So I hope it is the confident level and the excellent homework done by MA College team. Like today we are kicking off start the FDP on ATAL FDP on 3D printing. And one request to the coordinators, sir, once the program is over, kindly do submit a report to AICT. We just want to know, like maybe this can be kept as a role model, at least for our AICT ATAL Academy Trivandrum. Presently we have 4 ATAL academies in the country: ATAL Jaipur, ATAL Trivandrum, ATAL Bhopal. Okay, and this we can keep as a role model report for other aspirants who are coming to offer this FDPs on 3D printing and related topics. So thank you, MA College team, for inviting me, and also one request to all the faculty members, participants. See, this is a unique opportunity we are getting, that to get it learned under the blessings and the umbrella of MA College, maybe the topmost institution in our state, maybe in the South India too. So take it very seriously and ensure like you are not missing any classes. And maybe I don't know how MA College have planned for the lab sessions and all. So ensure like you are completely devoting for the next 5 days, so that this is surely going to help you in your climbing the ladder ahead. So with this, I wide my speech, and once again thanking Team MA College for inviting me as a guest of honor to this function. Thank you.
Sir, for your enthusiasm and continuous support. Thank you. A leader is the one who knows the way, who goes the way, and shows the way. So we have a perfect example of leader here. In that context, I would like to invite Dr. Shajan Kuriakos, former head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, KOTHAMANGALAM, for the felicitation speech. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Head of the department, Dr. Jojo Maisik, chief guest of the day, Unnikrishnan sir, and my senior, just senior to me, and Ramesh Unnikrishnan sir, our mentor actually, and colleagues and my dear students. I am very happy to address this session or this inaugural session. Why? Because when I was the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Joby and others were applied on ATAL program, ATAL short-term course, and I'm happy to say that it is materialized at least now. Congratulations, coordinators. And this, as our Unnikrishnan sir and Ramesh sir has mentioned rightly, this 3D printing is a most advanced area where so many works are going on in this one. So by attending this course, the faculty members and students will get a clean idea or a very good idea about this, because this is having very good applications in the modern manufacturing scenario. I am not taking much of your time. I know it is to be concluded by 10 o'clock. So I wish all the best to this 5-day program. I congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering, presently leading by Dr. Jojo Maisik, and the coordinators, Dr. Joby Joseph and others, and all the department staff, faculty members and other staff members. And I wish all the best to the program, this 5-day ATAL program, ATAL FDP program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanksgiving is an art. Showing gratitude is one of the most powerful things humans can do for each other. I would like to invite Dr. Bobin Cherianzo, sir, the coordinator of this event, for the vote of thanks. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Anne. Good morning to all.
Welcome, sir.
Respected Head of the Department, Dr. Jojo Maisik, guest of the day, Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair S., Director of Human Space Flight Center, ISRO, Dr. Ramesh Unnikrishnan, former Director, AICTE, New Delhi, former Head of the Department, Dr. Shajan Kuriakos, FDP Convener, Dr. Joby Joseph, my dear colleagues and participants. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Now, we all have a challenging time due to the pandemic COVID-19. World has witnessed many such challenges, but the final win is always for the human beings. We are waiting for that day and hope that it will come soon. But there is no end for the developments in science and engineering. Every day is challenging for them. That's the reason why we are now meeting virtually. We are talking about 3D printing, additive manufacturing, Industry 4, smart manufacturing, and many more. As our guest pointed out, modern manufacturing is looking promising as the sector embraces the new smart, the one that comes with digital technology advances, while capitalizing on generations of previous experience. What I see at the moment and hear from the sector is that the fundamentals are right and the prospects are real and exciting. I'm not taking much time. Let me move to my duty. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks to our alumni, Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair S., Director of Human Space Flight Center, ISRO, on this occasion. On behalf of the Institute, Department, and participants, I extend our sincere gratitude for accepting our invitation, taking all efforts to deliver the inaugural address. Thank you, sir. Our doors are open. Your alma mater wish to hear more from you in future. Again, we all are waiting to hear about India's first manned space mission under your leadership. Thank you, sir, for your efforts to bring our India to the new heights. I can proudly say that in the last few years, AICTE was working far ahead of the world. Online FDPs are the latest among them. Dr. Ramesh Unnikrishnan, a vibrant personality who has been part of many such moves of AICTE, are with us to grace this occasion. India needs such enthusiasts to lead our technical system. Now, knowledge dissemination has a new dimension. Experts from all over the world are with us to handle the technical sessions on 3D printing. Thank you, sir, for all your support and requesting the same in future. From the bottom of our heart, we, MAIS community, as well as participants, express our sincere gratitude. As the guest mentioned, science is bringing the digital revolution to various sectors in life. At this moment, how we can keep our eyes closed? So we, the faculties, have the responsibility to guide our students towards these new domains. For that, we have to be trained from the top professionals in India and the world. Thank you, Dr. Jojo Maisik, Head of the Department, Dr. Shajan Kuriakos, former Head of the Department, FDP convener Joby Joseph for giving us an opportunity to attend such an event. I also express our gratitude to the principal, Dr. Matthew K., and Secretary, Dr. Vinny Varghese, for providing all the support. My immense thanks to the head of other departments and my colleagues who always support such value addition programs. I thank the participants for showing their interest to attend this program. The success of this program depends on your active participation. I thank all the resource persons of this online FDP who agreed to make this program the best. Last but not least, thank you, Dr. Arun Bobby and Ms. Ann Jose for extending your support for this event. Thanks once again.
Thank you very much, sir. With that, we come to a close of the inaugural ceremony of the one-week faculty development program on 3D printing and design organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, KOTHAMANGALAM, in association with AICTE Training and Learning Academy, ATAL Academy. Before I end, a few words to all the faculties and eminent personnel who have gathered here. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. Learning new things, new technology, new techniques, and new opportunities are major elements of growth in your life. And always remember that there is always a room for improvement. My sincere thanks to the Department of Mechanical Engineering for giving me this wonderful opportunity to host this ceremony adorned with the eminent personnel. Thank you for making me feel proud to be a mechanical engineer and a part of May's team always. Thank you, Team Mechanical of ATHANASIUS College of Engineering, KOTHAMANGALAM. Wishing you all a great learning experience throughout this 7-day faculty development program. Stay safe and stay healthy wherever you are. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ann.
Welcome, sir.
So now we comes to the end of inaugural session. Now we are moving to the first session, technical session by Dr. Abhay Kumar Madhusudan Kutre. So he's a professor in Mechanical Engineering Department and head of CAD/CAM Center, VNIT, Nagpur. He graduated from in Mechanical Engineering from Nagpur University and post-graduation in Mechanical from IIT Roorkee and completed his doctorate from Nagpur University. Right now it is VNIT Nagpur in the field of engineering technology. He is having experience from Hindustan Aeronautical Limited from 1986 to 1993. After that, he joined in VNIT Nagpur as a faculty. He is having more than 50 number of papers in more than 10 PhDs, and currently he is having 2 PhD supervision in progress. He is having different R&D projects